Can you apply Singapore PR from overseas? That is the topic of discussion for this presentation. So let's move ahead. And two most popular countries for migration in the world today are Canada and Australia. So these are the countries where maximum migration is happening from Asia, Africa, or from other countries. Now the process for this both countries is very identical. You can apply from your home country. So let's say that you are from India and you want to apply for Australian PR. Then while you are in India and you are also doing your work, job, whatever you are doing, you can apply for Australian PR, and there is a process for that. So you have to fulfill the point based system. I don't know what is the criteria, but it is something like if you are younger than 40 years, then you get more points. If you are from a specific field of study, then you might get more points. If you are ready to relocate to rural area of Australia, then you will get more points, and like that. Now, if you satisfy those point based system, whatever points are there, you can file the application. After you file the application, you continue your life as it is in India, and the process will take 1 to 2 years to process your application, and your PR will not generally rejected. If you satisfy point based system, you are more or less guaranteed to get PR. So let's say after 2 years of process, you get the notification that your PR is approved. Then you can move to Australia, find job, and settle there. This is the process. So what happens, people think that whether similar process exists for Singapore, because there is a lot of interest in people abroad to move and work in Singapore. So one thing to understand here is why these countries are so much open to migration is because both these countries, if you check their geography on world map, are huge in size. I mean, their land area is huge. But both these countries have a population of approximately 30 to 40 million people only. And most of those people are located in some major cities, and rest of the country is almost empty, with either deserts in Australia and glaciers and barren land in Canada. That is the reason why these two countries are encouraging migration so much. Now, unfortunately, that is not the case with Singapore. Singapore is a small city country, and therefore these kind of options are not available in Singapore. You cannot apply Singapore PR from overseas. To be able to apply Singapore PR, you must satisfy one of these requirements. That is, holder of an employment pass or S pass and their dependents who are staying in Singapore, or a spouse of a Singapore citizen or a permanent resident, or your unmarried child aged below 21 of a Singapore citizen or a PR, or your aged parent of a Singapore citizen, or you are a student studying in Singapore with specific conditions. So not all students qualify, especially those who come into private educational institutions. They don't qualify for this right to apply for PR. And the last one is a foreign investor in Singapore, which is called a GIP program. Now, out of these first 5, which are in white font, you must have stayed in Singapore either as a student or on some work pass, or you must have a family connection. The only plan where you can apply from overseas is this last one, foreign investor in Singapore GIP program. And that requirements are quite stringent. Basically, what it means is you are ready to put in 2.5 million Singapore dollars in approved VC fund as an investment, which again many people might be able to satisfy. But there is additional condition, and both these conditions must have been satisfied. So the second condition is you must have run a business with a turnover of at least 200 million Singapore dollars in last year as a CEO, owner of the company. So because of this second condition, very few people qualify for this program. So in summary, you cannot apply Singapore PR like in that case of Australia and Canada. You must have stayed, worked, studied in Singapore or has family ties.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel today. PR Application is a leading immigration consultancy company in Singapore.